As the total number of coronavirus cases in India has crossed 9,000 and death toll surpassed 300, the country is now set for an extended lockdown of 2 more weeks till the end of April. In a meeting with Prime Minister Modi, the chief ministers had requested to extend the lockdown period to fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. The earlier mantra of the government was Jaan hai to jahan hai, which is now changed to Jaan bhi jahan bhi. The upcoming weeks are crucial for making an impact against the deadly virus. The government has decided to restart the economic activities with restrictions. The government is left with no option but to extend the lockdown till the month end. Relaxation will be given with measures and guidelines to be released soon. Businesses and markets will be allowed only in areas with no or less infectious cases. States will assign different districts, cities and towns as red, orange and green zones. While the red zone will be marked as a hotspot with maximum positive cases, the orange zone would be those areas which are suspected and people are kept under surveillance, and green zone would be areas with zero cases. There will be a limited strategy for small industries where workers would work inside factories and sleep inside the unit to maintain social distancing. Furthermore, an alternate day timetable could also set up for some markets. Mandis with large gatherings will see some major restrictions. Relaxation will be given to farm and marine sectors during the lockdown. The government will buy harvested crops directly from the farmers. Transportation will be limited within cities and districts while interstate transport will be restricted. Moreover, the centre has also urged officials of joint secretary level and above and ministers to start coming to office from this week. On the positive side, Prime Minister Modi has assured that there are enough supplies for essential medicines and food. Availability of protective gears and critical equipment is also taken into considerations and steps will be taken against black marketing and hoarding. It's time that we act as a responsible citizen and support the government by staying at home because jaan hai to jahan hai. Thank you.
Hello guys, the ebook for the month of December is available on our website. Get an exclusive discount of 30%. Use the code CFA30.